This is what actually happens underground during an earthquake in California. California sits on the boundary between two giant tectonic plates. Deep below, those plates press together, storing energy for years. But they don't move smoothly. Rocks lock, twist, and build pressure. Then suddenly the lock section snaps, releasing that stored force. Shock waves shoot through the ground, shaking everything above it. Some waves travel fast, rattling walls and windows first. Others roll slowly, lifting the ground like ocean swells. Fault lines shift by inches or even feet during a single quake. So an earthquake isn't just shaking, it's Earth resetting its broken pieces underground.